Whoa. What's up? I don't know. Oh my god, it's raining. This bites the dust. Jamie's gotta try to get the part loose. And he's gotta try to do it before 3 o'clock. 'Cause I have an appointment with my doc. Yep, this is fun. I can't believe my day. I have been up since 4 yesterday. I can't wait to go home and sleep. But that won't be till later today. Isabella's sleeping so soundly. She hasn't whined yet, hope she don't. I really gotta tinkle 'cause I'm cold. And it's raining, what to do? I can't leave baby Isabella in the truck while he's fixing it. Yeah, I made a song, y'all. Yeah, I'm really cold. Alright, well, I just want to test my camera video. It really, yeah. So, happy Halloween, and be safe.